All right. Hello, first grade friends. It's Mrs. McClure. Happy Monday. Today we're going to look at our question of the week and kind of what we're talking about. But I want to remind you what our essential overall question is. What are some things that we see in the neighborhood? So in the neighborhood that you live in, what are some things that you see? So we've been talking about my neighborhood, right? So this week we're going to be talking about things that we see in the neighborhood that help people that drive and people that walk be safe. So up here we have traffic signals, okay? And in your journal, in your book, if you have your MyView book, it's going to be on pages 96 and 97, and you could follow along. And if you'd like to, you can follow along with me. And it says, underline the names of the traffic signals that help keep you safe. So we're going to look at the signals. And a signal is, a sign that shows us how to stay safe. So what is this right here in the picture? Yeah, this is a traffic light. A traffic light lets people know when it is safe to cross the street. So what does the color red mean? Yeah, red means to stop. So anytime we see a red light, it means to stop, right? What do you think yellow means? Yep, yellow means to yield. And right here it says yellow means get ready to stop. So that means that you're getting ready to stop. So you start to slow down and you get ready to stop. How is the red and the yellow light, how are they kind of the same? Just think about that for a minute. How are they the same? They're not exactly the same, but in what ways are they the same? They both are signaling you to slow down and to stop. So this is telling you to get ready to stop, right? So when you always see the yellow light before you see a red light. So that is telling you to get ready to stop. The red light is telling you to stop, right? Immediately you stop when you see the red light. Good. And what does green mean? What does a green light mean? Yeah, green means to go. Okay, so we're going to look at our question of the week, and here it is, weekly question. And it says, how do signs in our neighborhood help us? So think about signs that you see in your neighborhood. What are some signs that you see? Maybe you see a stop sign. Okay, we see signs that have the names of streets on them. So if you're driving somewhere and you're going to somebody's house and you're trying to find where they live, then you have to know what the name of the street is, right? So on every corner, there's a name for the street. What are some other signs that we see in the neighborhood? Yeah, and look, what do you think these are? Let's look at our picture. These are walk and wait signals. Walk and wait signals let people know when it is safe to cross the street. So if you see right here, this person, this little symbol right here means it's safe to cross the street. So when you see you're waiting to cross the street and you see this signal right here and it's the little picture of a person walking, that means you can walk across the street. Okay? Now if you see the hand is telling you no. It tells you to stop. And see right here I have my Bitmoji is holding up her hand to say stop, okay? So that means to do not cross. So this one means to cross, and this one means do not cross. So I want you to think about the signs in your neighborhood. And the question, we're going to answer the question, how do signs in our neighborhood help us? So think about the signs that you see in your neighborhood, and you're going to write the answer. So you're going to respond to my question. How do signs in our neighborhood help us? And you're going to write the answer, and you're going to upload it and send it to me. Okay? And we're going to talk about it when we meet together. All right.